Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady, and today we are going to offer information related to organization, DIYs, and life hacks. So we're going to focus on organizing our house plants. I often call them household plants, but we're going to call them house plants today. So we're going to look at how we organize that and just kind of share what we do. The purpose of this video is to show you how to increase the life, the longevity of your plant. If you are interested, please stay tuned. If you see something you like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe below. And without further ado, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hi my YouTube friends, and as stated in the information provided earlier, we're going to look at how to organize your plants to increase its growth potential. So we're just going to go right in. I'm just going to walk around my home so you can sort of see the plants that I have. Now, I purchased plants that are conducive to my lifestyle. With that said, I don't have a lot of time to spend taking care of plants that require a lot of attention. So I have to be mindful whenever I do select a plant. So the plants that I have, and I'm going to show you now, are the ones that are in my video YouTube filming room. Are in a east facing window. Then I'll show you where I keep the other plants. All right, so here we go. You may have seen this plant sitting atop of my desk near my computer when I did a video of my YouTube filming space, but this plant does not require a whole lot of shade. It needs to have a lot of light, a lot of sunlight. So it is located in a east facing room, so that's why it is in this room, because it will get the most light while it is in this room. And as I move across my video filming room, right here is another plant that I did a demonstration with earlier when I did a videotape on how to organize and perpetuate the health of your plant. So it is also in this east facing room, so it is getting the necessary light that it needs in order to be at its best. This is another beautiful plant in this room that requires quite a bit of sunlight. I don't have it as close to the window as I do some other plants, but it definitely is doing quite well in here. I keep a close eye on it to make sure that it is in the space that is most conducive to the plant being healthy. In this space, I keep the majority of my plants because this is a north-facing room. This is a really big one here. It's in a very large pot, and I've organized them in a way that they're right by the window. So each of these plants, as you can see, they have this tag inside of it. And I keep this tag with the plants because it helps remind me of how I need to care for the plant and what I need to do to keep the plant as healthy as possible. I also have another plant sitting here on this table. And it's right near the window where all the other plants are sitting because they need lots of consistent light. Not necessarily direct light, but consistent light. And a north-facing room tends to have light throughout the day. And so they all are just sitting nicely there, and I just love how they adorn the room. I have another plant that's here, and it is on this table. So we're gonna just slide on over there, and this is a guest bedroom. So It keeps this room very oxygenated. This is another plant that just requires consistent light. So making sure that you are aware of the kind of light that your plants need, and you can make the best decision as to how you need to position them in your home. But I also make sure that I'm clipping them and doing what I need to do to care for them so that they can be the healthiest plant that they can be. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to send me a message below. I am not a plant expert. I am just a person who has been working with plants for quite some time, and I know what has worked for me in the past.